Hello Internet and welcome to another episode of EatFluencers. Today's recipe is a tribute to the favorite snack of an American icon, Elvis Presley's favorite peanut butter banana bacon sandwich. According to some sources, the king could eat 13 of those in one sitting. If it's that good, we have to try it, right? All you need is a bunch of bananas, 8 slices of smoked bacon and your favorite peanut butter. The bread we are using is our homemade ultimate sandwich bread, and you can find the recipe in our channel. If you're using store-bought bread, make sure the slices are thick enough to hold all those beautiful flavors without falling apart. Start by cutting the bananas in quarters, but keep the peel on. The thick skin is going to provide support later on when we grill them. Cut the banana lengthwise in half and then again in the middle, so you end up with 4 big slices. And now it's time for some bacon weaving. This is optional, and if you don't care about the looks, then go ahead and keep the bacon strips separate, but I do believe that weaving prevents the bacon from drying. If you don't know how to weave, then don't worry, it's very easy. Lay down half the bacon strips in a vertical position flush to each other. The fatty sides should all face one direction. Fold every other strip onto itself and lay one new strip across the unfolded strips. Flush against the folds to make it more tight and then unfold those flipped strips back over to the original position. Now fold every other strip in the alternating columns and keep doing the same steps over and over until you have a bacon weave. On a medium-high heat, generously oil a non-sticking pan. I would suggest using sesame oil or butter for the added flavor. And start by grilling the banana slices facing down. Do not grill the peel. It is only there to help keep the banana from getting smashed while we work with it. As soon as you have those amazing scoring lines of goodness, remove the banana from the pan and go ahead with the bacon. Again, aim for a golden brown color, but be careful not to overcook it. You want it to be crunchy, but still retain some moisture. When the bacon is done, do not throw away the excess fat, but instead use it to fry the bread. We are using bananas, bacon and peanut butter. We might as well go for the full fat version. It may seem a lot of work for one sandwich, but trust me, the results will amaze you. And now that you have all the ingredients ready, it's time for assembly. This is going to be a double-decker. Spread a generous amount of peanut butter on your bread slices and start building your layers. Bacon followed by banana, followed by bacon, followed by banana. I would go even higher, but I don't think my heart can take anymore. I would never have thought that bananas, peanut butter and cured meat would pair so well together. And trust me, it tastes like heaven. Not to mention that if you eat one of those, you won't go hungry for a while. If you give it a try, tell me what you think in the comment section. Also, if you have any recipes you want me to try, feel free to write those too. Until next time, thank you for watching.